Welcome to the Investor Financing Podcast, where we interview real estate investors and lenders so you can learn all the secrets to getting your projects funded and scale your portfolio. Learn about fix and flip loans, BRRRR financing, rental, fixed to rent, commercial, multifamily bridge loans, business loans, and so much more. And now, your host, Beau Eckstein.
Hi guys, Beau Eckstein here, and thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, and I hope you're enjoying our podcast as well. Today I'm going to quickly talk about what to send a lender to size up your multifamily loan request. So if this is a purchase, we need a couple pieces of information. We need a year-to-date interim financial statement on the property. We need the past 2 years profit and loss statements on the property. We need a current rent roll on the property. And then it's if you have an OM or a marketing brochure, that's also very useful. On top of that, if you don't have a marketing brochure, if you have pictures of the subject property, that's very useful. And basic information, when it was built, what year it was built, how many buildings, what's the current occupancy? Obviously, we could see it on the rent roll, but that's another big question to know. What's the play? What's the exit with the property? Or is this a value add deal? Are you going to raise rents? Are you going to remodel units? Is there a CapEx or renovation budget? We want to know those kind of questions to get what the best possible loan would be for your situation, right? Because we don't want to lock you in. We don't want to lock you in to a long prepayment penalty if this is a 3-year play, right? We don't want to put you in a 5-year or 10-year prepayment penalties.
You're listening to the Investor Financing Podcast. We'll be right back after this break. Are you looking for funding? Are you getting frustrated trying to find a lender? Visit investorfinancingpodcast.com and click the Get Funding button. Complete the simple form and schedule a free phone consultation with one of our placement specialists. We have a proprietary directory of funding partners that can help you get the funding you need. It's fast and easy to explore the options available for your specific needs. Don't wait. Visit investorfinancingpodcast.com and get connected.
So we want to know the strategy, and then also additionally, who's on the sponsorship team. If it's an agency loan request, that means you have to have a net worth between the sponsorship parties. The sponsorship team, the net worth's got to be greater to or equal to the loan request amount, right? And now they also want to see 10% post-close liquidity in the sponsorship's bank accounts, right? So we got to have that for agency debt. Now, the advantage of working with myself or a commercial mortgage advisor is that we place agency, we place HUD debt, we place bank and credit union debt. And what I'm finding is that a lot of these credit unions in the local markets are providing really, really good terms right now. And especially on properties that are sub $2 million, it's very hard to get as competitive as a lot of these regional and small banks. So I reach out to all the different banks, credit unions. We have good relationships and partners at these banks and credit unions. They like us too because we're helping them source deals. So just to recap, we need to underwrite a deal. We need rent roll. We need year-to-date interim financial statement. We need 2 years of profit and loss statements. We need personal financial statement on the sponsors. Okay, we want to know what they look like liquidity-wise. We want to know if they're syndicating the deal or if it's a joint venture. We want to know the experience of the sponsors. Do the sponsors own a similar type property, right? Because an agency, it's a requirement that there's that experience level. Now, there's workarounds for everything. This is what we need to get started. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I plan on bringing a lot more videos to you, and they'll be short and sweet, but hopefully you get some value out of it. Thanks for listening and watching. See you soon.
Thanks for listening to the Investor Financing Podcast. For show notes and useful resources, please visit investorfinancingpodcast.com. For questions or comments, email info@investorfinancingpodcast.com. If you enjoy our show, please share it with your network. Until next time.